Mi refugio. Mi refugio in Matamoros, Tamaulipas, Mexico. That one's over there in the little nest. Little squirt. What are you doing in there, Mama? You got baby? It's beginning to rain, rain, rain. Hear the voice of my Father. He's saying, whosoever will come and drink of this water. If you're thirsty and dry, look up to the sky. It's beginning to rain. It's beginning to rain in the house of my Father. He's saying, whosoever will come and drink of my water. He has promised to pour His Spirit out on your sons and your daughters. If you're thirsty and dry, look up to the sky. It's beginning to rain.